Good morning! This is Ria Luz of Buhay Buhay sa Amerika, and I just wanted to give a throwback on the plants I have at home and how they grow over this lockdown period. And this was the basil, the tiny basil, during my first vlog on encouraging people to plant. And look how this basil has now survived, and it is now beginning to have flowers. Amazing how time flies and how um, plants can truly grow just by time that is given to them. And I just wanted to appreciate how much God has put beauty, love, and everything in these plants, and how these plants are truly giving us joy when we come to appreciate them, acknowledge their existence, and look at it deeply with an eye of appreciation and valuing everything this plant can offer to our lives with a different look, that it's not just a basil, but it is God's creation in itself. Then we can appreciate not only the plants but also the maker of this wonderful creation, because through it all, it is God's love and it's God's beauty that is really manifested in every single leaf, every single petal of this wonderful creation that is magnified. And that is my thought when I look at this plant and appreciate them. I see God's hands in its beauty in this creation. Much more humans that God's masterpiece could be when we appreciate them, irregardless of color, irregardless of nationality, that we are all God's unique creation, and it is through our uniqueness that God's is surely happy. God must be so happy just to look at it, every nook and cranny of His creation. And it's amazing how it is through us as human who can appreciate them that God can experience the love and beauty of this creation through us. We are God's eyes, hands, and mouth that are living and breathing here on earth. And it's time for us to acknowledge and appreciate what God has given to us in every nook and cranny of the creation that He has invested in us, just like this eggplant here.